When you see someone around you talking in English, you feel like going forward and introducing yourself and you want to continue the conversation in English. You are sitting in a group meeting, conference, and you have a doubt to ask. And you are about to go. You are about to raise your hand, but you stop. What thoughts come to you at that exact time? What if I fumble? What if I mispronounce some word? What if I get stuck while speaking? What if I forget which word to use when? What if I blank out? But tell me, if you won't give it a try, how will you learn to talk in English? How will you gain confidence with this language? What's the worst that might happen? If people are making fun of you, it's okay. They will forget the mistakes eventually. But if you stop yourself and never try speaking, if you never raise your hand and you ask or share your feedback, my dear friend, you will stay silent forever. There is nothing wrong with making mistakes as long as you are learning from them. I will say, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even if you fumble, at least you are trying, and people around you will always be supportive and help you learn the language if you have decided to work on it. At the end of this video, I shall share a bonus tip to make how to start a conversation with anyone. A 5 to 7 minute self-talk every day with yourself in English will eventually give you a push to learn new words and phrases. In no time, your sentence construction will improve and you will be able to see the results too. The best advice for a beginner is to try and speak as much as you can with anyone. Your friend, your neighbor, your kids, your maid, anyone. Start with simple greetings first. Say good morning the moment you meet someone in the morning. Greeting with a smile on your face and a loud, clear voice. Good afternoon to your work colleagues, your spouse, your friends after 12 noon. Good evening the moment you enter the house at 4:35. These greetings will immediately be the conversation starters for you. Let me know your experience of greeting people, and in the next video, I'll share some conversation starter questions which will help you stay connected with people, and this way you shall learn this simple, beautiful English language. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, as it will keep me motivated to create content for ambitious audience like you. Sayonara till we meet again.